Uh, so, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vashish Rawal. I hope you all are doing good. So, so purpose of creating this series for machine learning for everyone is to uh, give a understanding of machine learning in a simpler, interesting, and fun way that everyone can understand, even if you are not from the background of computer science or engineering, you don't know about anything. So I hope this will be helpful to you in some form. Without any wasting your time, let's get started. So, first of all, what is machine learning? Right. So let me start with some fun definition that I've created to teach you. So machine learning is like teaching a computer the way you teach a kid, not by giving strict rules, but by showing lots of examples until it figures things out on its own. So let me explain what I'm saying by this. Let's take an example. Like imagine you are teaching a machine the difference between an apple and orange. So how would you do it? So let's take an assumption that we are as of now dealing with the tabular data. Like I think everyone must know Excel, like in a table form, data which can be presented in a tabular form. Let's not talk about image data. We will discuss that later when we uh, learn about deep learning. So first of all, whenever you want to differentiate between apple and orange, what you give is the details about that. Like in first, you can say the first column you can see shape is there, shape, color, size, weight, and taste of a particular fruit. Like apple have a round shape, red color, size of around 7 to 10 centimeters, weight around 150 to 200 grams, and taste is sweet, right? So, when you give a computer this data and tell them to analyze and create a pattern, and based on that pattern, you can ask that model, or you can say computer, that okay, you understood this data as of now, what I have provided you. Now tell me, I have some another thing, another object, another fruit in my hand. Which description or which details are like it's round or oval, color is orange, size is around 7 centimeter, weight is around, let's say, 150 centimeter, and taste is tangy. Now tell me which fruit is it? So based on this learning that the machine has learned from the previous data, can able to say that this is orange. Okay. So this is an example of machine learning that you can teach, that you are teaching a machine based on some previous data, and machine is going to predict that what comes next, or what is if apple or orange, something like this. Okay. So there are many types of machine learning is there. Let's stick to these two as of now. One is supervised and another is unsupervised. So what is supervised learning? Supervised learning is learning with answers. What do I mean when I say answer is this column, that which is my target column, which is my predicted column, that I want to predict this when I get some get this input to a machine, this input, I want to predict this. So this is my, you can say as of now, target column, and these are input columns that I'm providing to a machine. You can say output column as well as of now. So when that output column have a label, like fruit. This is the example of supervised learning. But what if I'll remove this and now I am telling a computer, a machine, that now tell me which is this object and which is that object. So what machine is doing, machine can see that these three objects have some similar specification, that all of these three, all of these three things are round, red in color, size is almost same, weight is this much, and taste is sweet. So based on this, model can say that these three are together values. If you put in a graph, in a let's say in a scatter plot, I think you must have seen this kind of chart. Let me try to insert this if it's possible. Hmm, just a minute. I'm not able to. Yeah, it's scatter. Yeah, this kind of. Let me just put it in another sheet. No, it's showing something else. Okay, let's forget that. But yeah, as of now, I think you got some idea, right? So if we put this in a graph or in something visual manner, we can say that these things are seems looks together, the seems similar, and these three uh, rows seems similar. So based on that, computer can say this. If you give me a round object, which color is red, size is this, weight is this, and taste is sweet, this is some object one, object or thing or something, and these three are another thing. So based on that, you can say either this or either that. That is unsupervised learning. When you are learning without answers. Okay. So now one of the most important question, why do we need machine learning when we already have programming? So let me explain what I'm trying to say here is there are two different kind of solution. One is programmable versus predictive solution. So what is programmable solution? You can also say it as a deterministic solution where you want an outcome which is fixed, right? For example, 3 plus 2 will always give you a 5, no matter what. It's like an example of a calculator. You can say that it always gives you exact result. There is no uh, range of result. It's a just exact result. And what is predictive solution? Let's say an example of weather forecast. So you can't say that this will going to happen. Today it will rain, or today it will not. Today it will be humid. Today it will be not. You can't say exactly. There is some prediction. I think you all of must learn probability and statistics in 10th or 11th, 12th. So in backend, the core of machine learning is maths and probability and statistics. We will learn in different series. As of now, you can say that it's core is machine and core of machine learning is maths and stats. Okay. So yeah, tell me that can you do that? can you do weather forecasting in a programmable approach that this, if this is happening, then this only will be a case? No, we cannot say that. That's why predictive solution exists. Whenever we want to predict something, we cannot achieve programmable solution. We cannot have deterministic solution. Then we have to go for predictive solution. Right? So, yeah. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much. If you have any question, I'll love to answer in a comment. And I hope it found you helpful in some way. So, yeah, thank you. Bye. Good day.